Workever connects seamlessly with QuickBooks accounting to remove data duplication, tedious admin work, and increase productivity. This video will cover how to connect to QuickBooks, choosing what to sync, mapping your taxes, view pending changes to be synced to QuickBooks, and how to fix errors in Workever. Connecting to QuickBooks. The QuickBooks integration allows you to sync key information both ways between QuickBooks and Workever. To connect to QuickBooks, go to Settings, click Integrations, and click Connect to the right-hand side of the QuickBooks section. You'll then need to enter your QuickBooks login details, and then click Connect. Your Workever account will then be connected to QuickBooks. Choosing what to sync. Now you're connected to QuickBooks, you can choose what details to sync between QuickBooks and Workever. The integration syncs to QuickBooks every 60 to 90 minutes automatically. The last synced date and time is displayed here. To choose what you want to sync, click Settings next to QuickBooks. You'll then see a list of options which includes chart of accounts and account classes, saved cost items, tax rates, and contacts, such as customers and suppliers. Invoices and payments are synced from Workever to QuickBooks. Any updates made to invoices in QuickBooks will sync back to Workever automatically. Please note that invoices created in QuickBooks are not synced over to Workever. You can also choose a sync from date. This is perfect if, for example, you only want to sync invoices from today onwards, or if you've been using Workever for a while and want to sync invoices for the previous 6 months onwards. You can choose to display a View in QuickBooks button. This will let you show a button on your invoices in Workever and take you directly to the invoice in QuickBooks. It's mandatory in QuickBooks for cost items and payments to have account and cost codes attached to them. Adding your default cost and account codes will save you and your team valuable admin time, as they will be pre-populated for you, but they can be changed if needed while creating your costs or taking a payment. Mapping your taxes. If you have already created taxes in Workever, you can map them to your taxes in QuickBooks so that they can be used with the QuickBooks integration. To map taxes, click the Map Taxes section and then choose which tax rates from Workever you want to map to the QuickBooks tax rate. View pending changes. If you want to see what changes are queued to be synced to QuickBooks, you can do so by clicking Changes, and you'll see details of any items waiting to be synced in the next 60 to 90 minutes. Fixing errors. From time to time, you may have an issue with an item syncing over to QuickBooks. This could be for many reasons, such as an incorrect tax rate being used. We have created a sync error section to help you see if there is an issue with an item, and then help you search for the item and fix it. Once you have fixed the issues, the item will sync over to QuickBooks automatically within 60 to 90 minutes. So now you've learnt how to connect to QuickBooks, choosing what to sync, mapping your taxes, view pending changes to be synced to QuickBooks, and how to fix errors in Workever.